guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. I will be doing another one brand review for you guys. Pretty sure na basa nyo na yung title. This is all about iWHITE Korea products. So I have 6 products in here that I will let you guys know what I think about. If you've been watching me for a while, you would know that I am a big fan of iWHITE and I've been using iWHITE Korea products for a very long time now, especially the moisturizer. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my favorite product. This one I have been using for I don't know how many years now. The Aqua Moisturizer Whitening Vita. And ganito yung itsura ng bottle or tube nila. I actually do not know the prices of these, you guys. I will need to ask them and leave all the information below. And also, the links of iWHITE's social media will be below. If you have any questions about specific product, it would be best for you to ask them because they obviously know way better than me. And they're all really nice. They actually respond. This is my all-time favorite moisturizer. This is the best moisturizer I have tried on my oily skin. Napakaganda ng feeling niya sa face. Hindi siya malagkit sa face at all because again, it's water-based. Sa mga may oily skin dyan, natakot gumamit ng mga moisturizer because you feel like, oh, I don't need moisturizer. I already have oily skin. Moisturizer is for me a must talaga kahit na I have really oily skin. Once na blend mo na siya, para lang siyang tubig. Tapos ang bilis din niya mag-absorb sa skin. Ang bilis din ng skin mag-absorb. But you know what I mean. And I have a tip for you, especially ngayong summer and then sobrang init. You can put this in your fridge. It feels great. Na-try ko na siya. Meron na siyang cooling effect by itself. Pero kapag nilagay mo siya sa fridge, lalo na ngayon sobrang init ng panahon, pag nilagay mo siya sa skin mo, it has that extra cooling effect kasi of course it's cold. Next one is the iWHITE Facial Wash Whitening Vita. I'm pretty sure lahat ng iWHITE Korea products merong whitening properties that I can't really say na as in 100% nag-work sa akin because again, I have been using this for a really long time. Di ko naman nakikita na as in sobrang pumuti talaga yung mukha ko. But yeah, just to let you know, meron silang mga whitening properties sa kanila. So back to the facial wash. The sachet comes with 2 different colors, the green and the pink, or parang may blue din ata. I forgot. Basta, pretty sure it's the same thing. It's just different colors. This one I really like as well. Lahat ng iWHITE products, hindi ako nag-breakout sa kanila. Pero ako lang yan though, kasi meron akong mga viewers na nag-comment na it broke them out daw. So it really depends. This is one of those facial wash na as super gentle lang niya sa skin. You do not need a lot. A little goes a long way with it. Sobrang mabula niya sa skin. And also, nakakalinis din naman talaga siya ng maayos sa face. I have featured this in my skincare routine because this is the facial wash that I'm currently using. Okay, next one. This one is also one of my favorites from iWHITE Korea. I have a review on this. This is the 2-Minute Whitening Miracle. Nakikita nyo sa review na yon yung instant effect niya sa skin. This one gives your skin that instant like clear, brightened face. Now, it doesn't really stay like that all day. You know what I mean? Pero meron siyang instant effect. Like, after mo siyang ilagay, your face feels really clean. And also, during the application of this, it just feels really good. Meron ka talagang mga, ano ba yung tawag doon? Basta, something makukuha mo sa skin mo. Pero, you guys, you will see that on my review. Okay, next one is this iWHITE Whitening Pack Peel-Off Mask. I don't have the tube. Peel-Off Mask in general is really not my favorite kasi masakit sila sa mukha. Tapos, it's also kind of like a pain to clean after mo siyang nilagay sa face mo kasi hindi siya totally natatanggal lahat eh. Meron pa rin mga white thingies na natitira sa skin na kailangan mong tanggalin pa isa-isa lahat. So, it's just a hassle for me. Supposedly, hindi mo na dapat i-wash yung face mo after mo siyang i-peel off. Kasi nga, diba, it's peel-off mask. It's not a wash-off mask like this. Kasi nga, maraming natitira na hindi na ang hirap na tanggalin pa isa-isa. And I just end up washing my face again. Pero okay naman siya, nothing special. Again, I would still prefer the wash-off mask over this. So, yeah. Next product is the iWHITE Facial Cream Whitening Vita. This one, you can use as a makeup base, sabi. Tapos, it has SPF 15. Ganito yung itsura ng tube niya. This, I'm not a big fan. Sobrang puti niya sa mukha ko. And yes, I have tried applying this na konti lang. And maputi pa rin siya. If your skin tone is way lighter than me, I'm pretty sure this will work out. It has that really nice cooling effect like the other iWHITE products on the skin though. Madali lang din siyang i-blend sa skin. Kung hindi siya maputi, I would use it as a makeup base. I'm not a big makeup base person kasi. I already mentioned this in my previous videos. I prefer like sobrang konting layer lang ng skincare or makeup sa mukha ko. Like, again, moisturizer, powder, okay na ako doon. Sa lahat siguro ng product na nagamit ko from iWHITE, ito yung least favorite ko. I am not saying it's a bad product at all. It's just that I don't really have that much experience with this because hindi ko siya ginagamit. As you guys can see, konti na lang because I use this on my feet. Parang maubo siya kasi sayang naman. And na-open ko na kasi siya so hindi ko na siya mapag-giveaway. So nilagay ko siya sa feet ko before ako matulog. And it is moisturizing. Pero kung face, hindi ko pa siya nagamit sa face ko ng more than 5 times. So I can't really say. Okay, next one is the iWHITE BB Holic. I also have a review on this already. I will leave the link of that video below. This is one of my favorite BB cream kasi mura lang siya. I'm all about the mura, right? It's only $24.50. Sa review ko, I said na wala siyang SPF. It's because hindi ko nakita yung SPF kasi natabunan ng price. Meron pala siyang SPF 10++, no, just 1+. So, SPF 10 PA+, right here. Natabunan siya ng price ko kaya hindi ko siya nakita. So, perfect siya sa mga students and very lightweight lang din ito. Again, you can watch my review para makita nyo. Very natural looking. Hindi din siya as in super oily sa skin ko. I really like this BB cream. And then last iWHITE product that I have used na I don't have with me right now is the iWHITE nose pack. I have used that a couple times before, but I didn't really like that. That didn't really work on me. It did work on other people though kasi I have few people commented in my video that they recommend that nose pack. Ako yung tatanungin nyo, I will not recommend it. Pero you can try. I mean, it's up to you. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like if you did. Let me know below kung ano yung favorite iWHITE product nyo. And yeah, please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, vegan. Bye!